Hello, my friend. We are in teaching jewelry design with Matrix. We are now in a builder unit. I teaching just useful icons of Matrix and useful and very useful and good icons for your designs. And if you have a problem, you can connect with us in Instagram or Telegram, and you can order teaching any icons if you can't find it in my Instagram page or my YouTube. We are now a builder. Okay, useful icons, for example this icon, signet ring builder. For example, I want to design a ring. Okay, in the first we set the ring rail size. Okay, put on a euro, and here for example I want 55 size in Europe size. Okay, and click on this green icon, and we have this ring rail 55, and then you can choose or head of your ring in here, and you can drawing customizes I teaching for you. For example, I choose that and then select having this here. This is side of ring. When I drawing starting, you can see it. Okay, you can insert your dimensions in here in the head of the ring. For example, top length, and this is top width, and this is the top thickness, and this is shank thickness. I showing in ring. Okay, for example, I insert this numbers. Okay, start. This is top length. This is top length. The start is here and is here. You can change it on. Oh, okay, or here, or here. And this is width here or here. You can insert the numbers, and the thickness. Okay, or okay, you can insert, and shank thickness. Okay, and the bottom width. Okay, for bottom scale, it's about just this area. Okay, this is 100% is normal, I think. And this is a cutting of a bottom cut angle. Okay, and then right click, and you have a ring with your shapes. And if don't want this shape, you can, and you can find a shape you want in this library. You can click on edit and go in here, and in here you can edit in your head. For example, I'm in here and then editing. For example, I want this. And this. Okay, and you can type a name, save profile. Okay, in here, yeah, and choose it. Okay, yeah, this is, I deleted that, and then start. Okay, you have this. Yeah. Okay. The other icon is not very useful. For example, this is about the chain, or these are about chain, and you can draw a chain and edit your dimensions, for example, and then apply. This is draw a chain automatically. Okay, and you can change the shape and dimension in here. Okay, it's not very useful. Okay, but if you want to more teaching about these icons, contact us. Okay, the other part is tools. You need these tools, very useful. For example, you drawing a ring, for example, and you want to know the weight of your object or a ring, any object. Clicking on this metal weights. Okay, click on your object and then calculate. Okay, this ring or this object have in a 18 karat. That means if you make this ring and make the gold 18 karat, your ring weight is 35 grams, 35.30. This is ring sizer. You can editing increase or decrease your size of ring with this option. For example, okay, my ring is 55 size. Okay, I'm going to front, and then that. Okay, and then select my size, my new size, and then click on resize. Okay, my previous size is 55, but my new size is 40. Okay, 45. This is resizing your rings without any change in the thickness of object, or you have if you have a stone, and don't change your size of stones with this icon if you want to resize. We have a one library about the rings, and you can change it. Engagements, matching band, engagement plane. Okay, this library have models. You can you can load any radio or any fixed models with this library. You can change the unit of that. And this next library about the bezels, heads, jump rings. Okay. The next, if you draw your object and you want to take a mesh, you can click on this object and then click on mesh repair. Okay, take a mesh from this object, and you can supporting on that and preparing to file to print. Okay, the second floor not have anything useful thing. Okay, the next unit is gems. Okay, in the first icon we have a gem loader. Okay, we have a shape of gems, round, oval, cash and square, and these are. Okay, you can clicking on every shape and then it goes to their size. For example, I want 30.2 3.2. Okay, when I click on that, you have it in here, and you can change the dimensions such as length, width, depths, and percentage with this icon. You can type it or click on this is ready, and we have it 1 2 3 set sizes, and you can changing your shape. How I want the heart. Okay, very nice. Okay, when you putting your for example putting on the curve. I draw a curve, for example. Okay, we want to put the gems on it, and goes to that, excuse me, gem on curve. Okay, and click on curve and loading on that gem on curve. Okay, we have the gems, we have the gem, and then clicking, for example, in the command collet dir F4 is down, or if you have an object in a special angle, you can click on the object, or no, you want those just the down, click on down, and then you're yes. Okay, and then you can type your settings, for example, and or spacing between two stones. In here you can increase or decrease. Okay, and the size of gems, this gems is 2mm. I want a 1.2. okay, and this is rolling, and you can okay, you have these gems. Got a little